this happened just 48 hours before Bangladesh goes into poll. Remember, the opposition parties, including the main opposition party, is boycotting the election. They have called for a complete hartal for 48 hours. The authority is still not confirming who is behind this arson, but they suspect that the elements who are calling for Bandh are behind this arson in Dhaka. Remember, we are here in the compartment that was set on fire earlier tonight, and the way you can see, I'll ask my camera person Yogesh to show what remains after the deadly fire that left at least 5 dead.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.